How to make her want you more and more. 1. Stacked with self-assurance. On the off chance that you will achieve anything throughout everyday life, you must pervade a specific degree of fearlessness and worth. At the point when you have unmistakable certainty, not presumption, you have the edge over the different folks, since young ladies are normally pulled into men who aren't hesitant to lead the pack. There are folks who can't marshal the fortitude to show their trust before ladies. On the off chance that that is you, at that point you will need to counterfeit it until you make it. On the off chance that you need a lady to consider you nonstop, you should give her you realize what you need, and you are secure in being you. Ensure you look like it by dressing pleasantly, showering and shaving, and placing the exertion into your appearance, so any lady would be glad to have you as her man. Basic components like this will help support your certainty and draw you one stage nearer to progress. To chip away at your certainty, you can work on chatting with various young ladies. Practice doesn't make great, yet it will improve you. This will assist you with removing the frenzy from your next significant date. 2. Be dependable. A significant issue with folks attempting to dazzle a young lady is they aren't solid. They appear late or state and accomplish something other than what's expected from they've consented to do. Without a doubt, looking positive attitude gets you in the entryway, yet you can't utilize it to hit a grand slam. In a young lady's eyes, on the off chance that you can be believed, you will turn out to be mystically alluring. Along these lines, if a lady needs to vent or she needs assistance with something, ensure you are the man that arrives first. Give her you can deal with her, and you will be in the hurrying to cause her to pine for you, I'm just you, gravely. 3. Being a tease is appealing. Remember, this one should be with some restraint. Being a tease is a decent course to help fabricate your confidence and put you in the green when mingling. Simply ensure you are in effect genuine with your being a tease. Counterfeit being a tease will accomplish nothing for you quick. Remember, your motivation for being a tease is to get her to snicker and to open the entryway for closeness. At the point when the air is light, it's a lot simpler to draw nearer, quicker. 4. Ensure you don't cover her. At the point when you're around a young lady each second of consistently, you will get old, quick. Giving her space permits her the time she needs to miss you and consider you. The thought is you need her to need you, and she won't understand the chance in the event that you won't escape her face. She needs her independence and should be regarded for that. In addition, for what reason would you need to be with a lady that is poor and doesn't have the way to take care of herself? As extreme as this may appear, it's fundamental you give this young lady her space to wander indiscriminately. On the off chance that she needs you, she will tell you, and if your strategy is a triumph, she's going to need you severely. 5. Ensure you are her break. On the off chance that there is any pointer you have to recall, it's this one. This implies you should be the person she trusts in at whatever point she is fortunate or unfortunate news. In the event that she gets the telephone and calls you, at the point you're at, ensure you give her the protected spot she needs, when she needs to open up to you about something. Give her an exceptional moniker. Make her chuckle, make her trust you, and the greater part of all, make her need you.